Hey there, tech lovers! Today we're going to be talking about the latest device that has everyone buzzing, the Google Pixel Fold. Google is finally stepping into the folding phone game, and their entry looks promising. The Pixel Fold transforms between a standard smartphone and a small tablet by folding in half, just like Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 4, but with a stiff yet non-cumbersome hinge, great screens, and a premium design. There's a lot to love about the Pixel Fold. At $1,799, this is Google's first attempt at a folding phone, and it's a device that pushes forward what a mobile phone can be. The Pixel Fold is a compact 5.8-inch phone that transforms into a 7.6-inch tablet thanks to its flexible screen and hinge. This provides a spacious screen to run apps, watch video, play games, or whatever else you want to do with a mobile device. This kind of device design offers a lot of flexibility and convenience. And once you've used a folding device of this nature, it's easy to see that eventually all phones will be like this. Both of the Pixel Fold screens are OLED panels with 120 Hz refresh rates, and the inner screen is covered in ultra-thin glass plus a factory-installed screen protector. The 1080 by 2090 pixel outside screen can hit up to 1550 nits of brightness, while the 2208 by 1840 pixel inner display hits up to 1450 nits, which means both should be quite usable outdoors. The Pixel Fold is premium on the inside, with the same Tensor 2 processor found in the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro, paired with 12 GB of RAM. You can get either 256 or 512 GB of storage, but there is no way to expand it after the fact. Google claims beyond 24 hours of battery life from the Pixel Fold's roughly 4,800 mAh battery system, which is split between two cells, one in each half. The Pixel Fold can fast charge at a rate of up to 300 or can be wirelessly charged on a standard Qi charger. There are 5 total cameras on the Pixel Fold, with 2 8.3-megapixel cameras, one on the outside for selfies and another above the inner display for video calls, and 3 cameras around back, a 48-megapixel optically stabilized main camera, a 10.8-megapixel ultrawide, and a 10.8-megapixel 5x telephoto. The camera's features and capabilities are sure to delight photographers. Overall, the Pixel Fold is a device that you won't want to miss out on. And Google is still early enough in the game to make a significant impact on this category. So, get your wallets ready and be sure to place your pre-orders starting today, May 10th, as it will be shipping to customers in June.